Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford F250 versus Ram 2500 towing. We'll dive into their maximum towing capacities, exploring how each truck handles heavy loads. We'll also look at the different engine choices available and their effect on overall power and efficiency. Finally, we'll review payload capacities and other key features to help you decide which truck best suits your needs. When it comes to conventional towing, the Ford F250 leads with a maximum capacity of 22,000 pounds. The Ram 2500 is close behind, offering up to 20,000 pounds. Both trucks are incredibly capable for fifth wheel and gooseneck applications, often exceeding these conventional limits. Your specific trailer type will influence which truck setup is more advantageous for your hauling tasks. Engine options significantly impact performance. Ford offers a powerful 7.3L V8 gasoline engine, while Ram boasts its renowned 6.7L Cummins diesel, known for immense torque. Regarding payload, the F250 can carry up to 260 pounds, slightly more than the Ram 2500 4,000 pounds. Both provide robust platforms for hauling heavy cargo in the bed. Both the F250 and Ram 2500 come equipped with advanced towing technologies, like integrated trailer brake controllers and blind spot monitoring for trailers, enhancing safety and ease of use. Choosing between them often comes down to personal preference, specific feature sets, and your budget. Consider your primary towing tasks and test drive both to see which feels right. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.